Hi everybody, this is Stephanie and I am showing you the vanilla beans from Vanilla Bean King that I'm splitting up. Thank you Vanilla Bean King for sending me this product so I can show everybody how I'm using it. Look at the vanilla beans in here. Watch, look at the vanilla bean. Look at that. Authentic vanilla beans. I'm getting ready to make my own vanilla extract. And you need vanilla beans for that. And that is what I'm about to do right here. So I'm getting them all cut up and then you'll see the next step.